Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Miranti. I am from class 1 5A with student identification number 2241104020035. In this video, I will explain several discussions of the question in the Islamic Moderation Education course. With question, definition of radicalism, characteristic of export to radicalism, radical implication for life, persuasive approach concept, repressive approach concept. 2. Moderate genealogy. 3. Study of regulation of religious moderation, the urgency of Islam, moderation education course. Explanation 1. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary, radicalism is defined as a paham or stream that won't change in a violent or drastic way. Sartono Kartodierjo defines radicalism as a social movement that rejects through life, that social order, and is characterized by a strong moral aggravation to oppose and be hostile to the privileged and the powerful. Kartodierjo. Radicalism, according to the KBBI, is also interpreted as a way of thinking. Meanwhile, historian Sartono Kartodierjo defines it as social movement. Muhammad Khalil distinguished between radicalism and violent radicalism. As an understanding, he is general, but when this understanding is referred to the action, then Khalil refers to the action and of Osama bin Laden in the events of the Irwin of Twin Towers bombing in New York, September 9. In the regard, the Center for Islamic and Community Studies of the said Islamic University, UIN Jakarta, and as quoted by Parker, outlines for radical criteria in studying for the following. 1. Have high ideological and beliefs that they strive to replace the Umji order of values and system. 2. In their activities, they often as harsh action, not even ruling out the possibility of being brought to the activities of other groups that are judged to be contrary to their belief. 3. Socioculturally and socio-religiously, radical groups have strong ties and display distinctive features of self-appearance and ritual. More specifically, Rubaidi outlines 5 characteristics of Islamic radicalist movement including 1. Making Islam the final ideology in regulating individual life and constitutional politics. 2. Islam values adopted its source in the Middle East in a literal as is manner without considering social and political developments when the Quran and Hadith were present on the face of the earth with contemporary local realities. Number 3. Science attention is more focused on the text of the Quran and Hadith. It is very careful to accept all non-Islamic cultures. Number 4, reject non-Middle and Eastern ideologies including Western ideologies such as democracy, secularism, and liberalization. 5. The movement of this group is often as with the wider community in studying the government. Therefore, sometimes there is ideological and even physical friction with other groups in studying the government. C. Radicalists can have a bad impact on Indonesia. In studying the occurrence of terror and violence, the cause unrest and often fear in society, can also cause horizontal and vertical conflicts, can cause loss of property and even lives, hamper the community its economy, and in this and can cause disintegration of the nation. D. The concept of a persuasive approach, the contracting radicalism. 1. Embracing and opposing individuals who are indicated to have been exposed to radicalism and violence. 2. Conducting deradicalization efforts against individuals and groups through planned dialogue and friendly discussion depicting figures and former perpetrators of terror and their mitigates. 4. Communication, dialogue, and discussion are also carried out on a community basis, namely the involvement of religious figures. A. If prevention efforts can no longer be used, repressive efforts against radical understanding are carried out. Quoting the opinion of Heri Firmansyah, efforts to overcome crime are essentially an effort to protect the community social defense so that the community can avoid crime. On one of the countermeasures can be carried out through repressive efforts, for example, by cracking down on radical groups that have used unlawful means such as violence to raiding radical groups that are carrying out their action. Next, number 2. Genealogy of moderation. Genealogy is a branch of science that studies the historical origin and cultural heritage of a nation. Genealogists use word of mouth, historical record, genetic analysis, and other records to obtain information about a family and show the kinship and genealogy of its members. The results are often displayed in the form of a card, star, written in the form of a narrative. Islam has shown its hospitality since it was first introduced in Indonesia. The spread of Islam in Indonesia was carried out peacefully without coercion and mutual respect for culture. Next, number 3, review of moderation regulation. A. Presidential Regulation number 18 of 2018 and 2000. In this regulation number stipulates the National Medium-Term Development Plan for this, one of which is the argument with relative to the urgency and significance of religious moderation in creating a harmonious and peaceful Indonesian society. Next, regulation of the Minister of Religious Affairs number 18 of 20 and 2000. In this PMA, decides regarding the strategies plan or Renstra of the Ministry of Religion for 20 and 2000 until 24 until 24 and 2000. One of the points of which is that the Ministry of Religion is a ministry that has the mandate to be the leading sector in realizing strength religious moderation and making religious moderation the spirit, the colors, the programs of the Ministry of Religion. 4. Moderation is a core principle of Islam. Moderate Islam is a religion of understanding that's very relevant in the context of diversity in all aspects, both religion, custom, ethnic groups, and the nation itself. Dawing, 17 and 2000. Now, in my view, the urgency or importance of Islamic moderation is several things. Among them is to prevent radicalism for spreading in all circles. Radicalism is very much at odds with this moderate understanding. Radicalism will divide the thinking of people and others. That then it will also have repercussion is one's behavior. Because in socialism, this migration is also very important for a person to understand others in various aspects. Moderation teaches us how to become human beings who can understand the various religions that exist. Recognize religion in Indonesia. Not only that, a person's views regarding moderation will also affect his future life. A person who is radical will tend to be cautious and unable to achieve his dream because he thinks that others who disagree with him are people who must be hostile, and this will endanger himself as well as others. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.